back in town and he's working on a new wide body FRS, another wide body build to check off on his list, man. This kid's done like over 10 builds. See how he's doing. Here's the kit that's going on the FRS. This is the Aim Gain V1 with the TRD lip, which I think fits on any stock FRS BRZ bumper. So that's gonna make 3 Varus builds in the city now. Derps. Yo. What up? What up, YouTube fam? While Simon's getting started on that, sorry if it's a little bit windy, I've decided to use most of today to finally create the diffuser. Since it is on the whiteboard list, we're gonna try to get it out of the way. So I'm out here visualizing, trying to figure out exactly what kind of design would best fit the rear end of this car. But I think the best way of getting a better idea or a better sense of what kind of diffuser style would go with the back end of your FRS, or any car for that matter, is to create a prototype. And we're gonna be doing that using cardboard. So analyze, memorize, visualize, be mesmerized, and then get to work. Before actually creating it out of cardboard, I am going to do a rough draft of it on paper. That way I know how many pieces it's going to be, and also where all of the bolts and stuff are going to be placed. Now remember, since I'm making this specifically for my car, this diffuser might not fit on any other car. This is going to be specifically made for the rear bumper of a Varus style kit for the FRS. This is like a side view. I'm just gonna measure everything that needs to be measured. And then picked up some black foam core, really easy to cut into, and it's black. It already works out. Obviously, we're not gonna be using this, but it's gonna be easy to work with.
Custom Diffuser, eh?
My Custom Diffuser? Someone here's a Fusty Ladoozy.
Is it you?
What the?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that looks cool. That looks sick, Birdie. Good job.
Oh, thanks, man. Fuck you. Oh, sorry.
What?
sorry. Dude, this thing's so...
Nice. A little artsy fartsy project for you guys. Custom Diffuser.
That's gonna be it.
Made of styrofoam. It's like a perfect fit, man.
Fits. Eva, shouts. Thank you for always baking us stuff. Always cooking and stuff for us. Thank you. Here's a glimpse of my self-made diffuser. From the back, oh, it's not even centered. That's dope. I think I have my work cut out for me. It might be, there's a few contact points where I can actually drill and put a couple of bolts and screws into. Other than that, just gotta do a couple more adjustments, but this thing is looking pretty darn sweet. Close enough. Right, now that we got a good idea, we can finally cut this out using the ABS plastic material that we have lying around. That should be more than enough. Oh, yo, progress on the aim gain. Simon makes light work of wide bodies now. This thing's turboed. Gritty turbocharger. Dope. It's already being cut. Alright, this is what I got so far. Sanded these guys down. Now I just gotta cut the template so I can stick these onto something. Show you some progress. And the supposed wheels that are supposed to be going on this aim gain. So it's being cut, sealed, super clean. Cleaner than the job he did on mine.
Come on, man.
Just kidding, but with experience for sure. Dude, looks good. Yeah, what number is this now?
15.
Yeah, holy crap. Yeah, 15 wide bodies for this kid. Crazy. This is next. This is next year. And Gucci got his new wheels on too, so looking good. Progress has been made, but probably gonna call it a night pretty soon here, and we'll just continue tomorrow. I still have to pick up the brackets to attach all of the pieces together for my diffuser, so I'll do that tomorrow before coming back to the garage. But for now, yeah, probably just gonna call it a night. Yo, we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Peace.